Welcome to the Technical CAD. In the last video, I have shown you how to work with different types of circles. In this video, I will show you how to work with a circle in a real time. I mean, how to apply that commands in application oriented. Let's start the video. This is the drawing I am going to show you today. I have attached the PDF file in the description. Please check that. And coming to the AutoCAD, this is the drawing, how it will look like. So now we will start a new drawing. First, you should learn to read the drawing first. Here we have a circle which is diameter 18 mm and another circle with a radius 12 mm. So I will draw the both circles now. One is diameter 18, it means radius will be 9. Before starting into the drawing, you have to work on units, because by default it will be in inches. I have to change that into millimeters, and my precision will be 0.00, and I will give it OK. Now I will go for limits, enter 0, 0, enter. I need a A4 size 297, 210. Z space A, enter. Now I can draw. So go for circle. So first one is a radius 9 mm. And what's next? Radius 12 mm. So next what we have to draw is, so from this center point we have to take this center point. So they have given it around radius 48. I will draw 48 line now. Escape. Now see here there are two circles again. One is radius 3 and another one is radius 6. Here it's a radius 3 and 6 mm. Okay. Now what we have to do? So for creating this part, I will tell you one logic. So if you observe, this line is tangent for inner circle here and the outer circle here. So for that purpose, I will go for drawing again, and here in drafting settings, in object snap, I will clear all and only select tangent and give OK. So now what I will do is, I will just create a line. So select this tangent, I have to select the inner circle tangent, and here. See, now these are the tangents for the circles. This line will act as a tangent for the circle. Now I will mirror this MIRROR. Otherwise, first make it offset. Here you can see the thickness they have given is 3 mm thickness they have given. For that purpose, I will go for offset option, offset, enter, and it is asking for specify offset distance. So I'll give 3 mm because my offset distance is 3 mm. Select. Okay. Now I will select these two lines and go for mirror. Enter. And it asking for first point of the mirror line. This is my first point, so it is not tracking. For that purpose I have to go for again DS, enter, and here select all. Okay. For mirror shortcut is MI. Now go for this center point, this center point. Now it's asking for erase source object. If you give S, this part will get erased, so if you have to give no. So now you can see this. Now I'll remove this line because it's not necessary now, and I will go for trim now. Okay. So like this. Here again they have given a radius 2.4, so that I can go for fillet, F, enter, and here in go for radius 2.4, enter, select the first object and select the second object, and again use the same option, F, enter. So already we have selected radius, so that no need for doing second time again. So now go for polar array, select the center point, and here select only 3, enter. Now I will go for trim option. I will trim this part. I will clear all these things first. Okay. So now go for tan circle, tan radius, this one, and 2.4. Now here it is radius 18, we have go for the same, select the circle and give 18 radius. Okay. So now I will trim the remaining portion. So like this we can create the drawing. And here we have a dotted line here. So how to create that dotted line and these dimension lines? So these options all will come under layers. Whenever we see the layers class, at that time you will understand that. As of now I will draw it directly. Just I'll go for layer properties. And I'll create a new layer. Here I'll change it to a red color. Okay, and line type is there. In line type I will go for load. In load we can see the center and give OK. Select the center here and give OK. So now it has been changed to center, and close it. Just draw a line. Just draw a line here, and we can directly use this option. Select this, select the object, enter, and select 3 here. And now select these 3 lines, go for layer 1. Now you can see that the layer has been applied to that line. If you think that the distance between the objects is less, then go for select the lines and go for properties. In properties you have an option called line type scale. So here it is 1, so I'll increase it to 5 mm. So now you can see it has become a little bit big. So like this we can draw this drawing. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell button so that you will get the updates. Thank you.